Returning to wealthy coin, howdy hello everyone, CEO of Google admits that Shiba Inu can be burned. Prepare to be unemployed forever. Upcoming SHIB news? Just hours after the failure of major Silicon Valley banks threatened the survival of the majority of digital firms, hundreds of festivalgoers poured into a tranquil retreat on Monday at SXSW. An indistinguishable shrine to the Shiba Inu, a kind of Japanese hunting dog, and a windswept grove of bamboo. And cherry trees make for a picturesque virtual setting. Named after the crypto slogan, "We're all going to make it on purpose." It was a welcome change from the defunct financial systems and an early peek at the metaverse that the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency team was creating. This video will discuss the news that Google's CEO has acknowledged that Shiba Inus can be burned. Prepare to be unemployed forever. Upcoming SHIB news. To stay up to date on our latest content on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get the video started. Last Friday's bank run was just the beginning of the inevitable decentralization of crypto. The shrouded figure behind Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama, who only uses a pseudonym and whose avatar is a long cloak, spoke with Fast Company via Google Meet. Suppressing their voice, he is authorizing the fractional reserves of banks. People will ask, what's this SHIB thing when the 5% worldwide adoption figure rises as more individuals become aware of this and opt to diversify, and they discover just how incredible we are? While it's no secret that there is a small but vocal group of Web3 advocates on Twitter, SHIB has the potential to attract the most devoted fans among crypto degens, although the SHIB army, the token's devoted supporters, took the joke seriously and worked tirelessly to create a Dogecoin killer that may eventually surpass Dogecoin, the competing meme-based token. They use social media to boost a Shiba Inu's value, and the dog eventually becomes one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies with a $44 billion market valuation. Decentralized trade Shiba Swap and a library of 10,000 Shiboshi NFTs, pixelated Shiba Inu characters with varying accessories from pirate hats to pizza slices have contributed to the expansion of its realm. Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin and crypto guru Elon Musk both gave Shiba Inu shoutouts. The next step is a collaboration with Bugatti, a Canadian brand of luggage. The meme crowd's lighthearted mocking has developed into a crypto Twitter account with 3.6 million followers, who are also among the platform's most outspoken users, eager to jump on news bursts and throw out hashtags like SHIB Armstrong and Hail SHIB, all while pledging to skyrocket the SHIB hashtag. Worldwide, it ranked third in 2022 for cryptocurrency searches. Last week, it launched in beta with a set of new tokens and its Layer 2 blockchain, Shibarium. This is all in preparation for a flagship that will open with its first virtual storefront for rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond. It's the largest leap yet. This is SHIB's way of trying to transcend meme currency status. Part of the charm of the Shiba Inu comes from its strange mythos. Also shrouded in mystery was its creator, Ryoshi, who vanished last summer along with his comically cat-shaped Discord character. However, he left behind some evidence. Ryoshi preserved a set of instructions, which Shidoshi became a part of once the token had amassed 6,000 wallets, but long before Musk's remarks caused it to surge. It is also unknown how much money SHIB has. The development of the metaverse is financed by the sales of land plots, according to Shidoshi, while the funds from the sales of Shiboshi NFTs are spent elsewhere. Not only has the team not decided on tokenomics for Leash and Bone, but they have also not decided whether to retain a share. They didn't want to be transparent about whether they earn a commission on Shiba Swap sales. They haven't managed to secure any venture funding. Blog entries, tweets, and magazine interviews abound with references to SHIB's community, which is the platform's biggest boast. According to Marcy Jastrow, the chief advisor for SHIB Metaverse, who spoke with Fast Company, the team is already taking army criticism into account when they plot the metaverse. The group contracted with a company to build it using the Unreal Engine. But instead of having a creative director, they start by sketching out ideas in black and white, then they post the drafts on a blog and see what people think on social media. Then they make many iterations of adjusting, coloring, and 3D rendering. An untamed fantasy area teeming with grazing deer and outdoor yoga, the Wagmi Temple is the first of 11 zones in development. Even in other metaverses, such as Decentraland, the Sandbox, or the Other Side of Yuga Lab, that community is present. Usually perceived as rivalry, however. According to Jastrow, the pioneers of a space as new and revolutionary as the metaverse must work together. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality. We were rooting for a sweep. We merely desired for the headset to function. During the crypto winter, when venture capital investment is at a standstill and survival feels more ruthless than ever, it could feel overly nice. Jastro is not incorrect, though. Every metaverse has a hard time convincing people to live in Web 3 or even a 3D Web 2, so what works for one may not work for another. Mark Zuckerberg bet his company's name on the idea of the metaverse after its metaverse division recorded a $13.3 billion loss in 2022, but now Meta is more focused on artificial intelligence than the metaverse, despite his fervent advocacy for Horizon Worlds. While the Decentraland ETF from Grayscale was selling for 60 cents on the dollar towards the end of last year, a number of metaverse currencies have experienced price drops of up to 80%. At its current price of $0.000001 USD and total token supply of 589 trillion USD, Shiba Inu is worth 6 billion USD. According to prior speculation, the token might reach a value of $1 per token. This would indicate a staggering implicit worth of $589 trillion, which would be higher than the world gross domestic product. New information about Shiba Inu keeps making news. Many people are interested in investing in Shiba Inu because of the large returns they might potentially achieve. There is a growing network of Shiba Inu owners and dealers to meet the rising demand. That such a price would need such a precipitous drop in supply is obvious to any prudent investor. However, with its present cheap price and significant potential returns, this unique cryptocurrency fueled by millennials is attracting many crypto fans. The second largest meme coin, Shiba Inu, and its token SHIB rose 15% to trade at $0.0000001120 USD as of this writing. Price action for Shiba Inu retested and surpassed key descending trendline support in early March, suggesting a possible trend reversal to the upside. As of early February, SHIB had risen 96% to a new annual high of $0.00000157 just before the pullback to $0.000001 that occurred in tandem with the trend line. Investors can't say for sure that the market has turned bullish unless Shiba Inu meets certain criteria. With a market valuation of $6.6 billion, the second most popular meme coin is now selling at $0.00001120. The 30% increase in trading volume to $321 million in the last 24 hours for Shiba Inu suggests that investors are piling on more money. Expect the price to make a significantly larger jump in the days ahead. At the moment, nevertheless, price fluctuations below $0.0000001126 are capped by the 100-day exponential moving average. Maintaining the breakout from the declining trend line will require SHIB to break above this important moving average. Important momentum indicators, such as the divergence of moving averages, show a determined bullish front even though there is immediate resistance. The MACD flashed a buy signal on the daily timeframe chart. After Shiba Inu was dumped along with the market owing to the failure of Silicon Valley Bank, although it is now staying above the mean line, the MACD has maintained its purchase signal on the 4-hour chart. As we approach into March 22nd, when the Federal Reserve could announce a likely interest rate hike, buyers are adamant about hanging on to their gains, particularly amid this week's comeback, which, on the 4-hour chart, is sitting at $0.0000011110 USD. To refresh your memory, the 100-day exponential moving average EMA serves as the daily chart's immediate resistance. The presence of daily closes above $0.0000001110 may indicate that support is still in place and that the upswing is the most likely direction. We are finished for the day. Welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up so you can see more material like this. CEO of Google admits that